new central hotel on the legendary Soi 7. Welcome back, folks. Today we are at the Blackwoods Hotel on Soi 7, Pattaya. It is one of the newer hotels in central Pattaya, with a modern design, rooftop pool, contemporary rooms and upscale facilities. Before we get started, if you enjoy our travel content, would you be so kind as to like and consider subscribing to our channel? It really helps to keep the channel going. Today we are staying in the Deluxe room, which is 35 metres square. This is a fairly well laid out room, other than its small toilet enclosure. The little sink is in the room and has lots of nice toiletries and a good sized mirror over the sink. There was plenty of hot water. 4 bottles of drinking water were provided each day. Throw some into the fridge to cool them down. Speaking of the fridge, there's a small fridge provided. It's empty on arrival, but it works great. Fill it up from the 7-Eleven. There are convenience stores nearby and a Tops food hall in the basement of Central Festival. The in-room safe worked fine. You could fit a good sized laptop in there and it was bolted to the wall, so no one can run away with it. There is a complimentary mini bar in this room. I'm not sure if every room gets it, but we have it. It contains tea and coffee, crisps and soft drinks. It's a nice touch. The TV was pretty good. It had a good picture, plenty of English channels. It was internet connected and we had YouTube and Netflix. The Wi-Fi was generally good here, reliable and fast, no issues. There is in-room dining available, the usual mix, burgers, pizzas, steak, Thai dishes. There was also an extensive selection of cocktails, beers, spirits, teas and coffees, and soft drinks. As usual, there is a laundry service. Too expensive? The area has lots of little laundry shops on the side. Go there instead. The view is okay, overlooking Soi 7. Noisy at times, especially at night. You can hear shouting and screaming from the side. The good news is the bed was comfortable, medium, and nice and clean and fresh. I would think it's a relatively new bed. The cleaning staff changed the bed every 2 days or so. It was always in good condition. There is no smoking in this hotel, but there is a smoking area at the front of the hotel. You can grab a coffee or a soft drink and sit and have a smoke and watch the world go by in Soi 7. Nice way to spend half an hour. The aircon was pretty good in this room. It worked well and was not too loud during operation. You can turn it down to Eco for night use and it works great. And finally, onto the bathroom. There is a walk-in shower with raindrop shower head and a step-in bath. Water pressure was good and there was plenty of hot water at all times. All worked as expected, but the shower area was slow to drain and there was an occasional puddle, but nothing to worry about. To sum up, this is a relatively new hotel right in the middle of Soi 7. Plenty of bars, restaurants and nightlife, friendly staff, the breakfast was pretty good, nothing out of the ordinary. I would stay here again. My only concern was it can be noisy at night, and if you're a light sleeper or you like to go to bed early, and I mean before 2 or 3 in the morning, you should probably think about it twice. Check out my review of Mira if you like a quiet hotel. Link is in the description. Might be a better choice for you.